Hello guys, welcome to another episode. So today I'll be talking about how you can be able to get GPS coordinates using your mobile phone and application, which I'm going to post the link. The application we're going to be using today is called Mobile Topographer. It's a free application for GPS coordinate collection, even though it's now out of Play Store. But I think I'll post a link where you can be able to access or download the app that I saw online, which you can use. So why Mobile Topographer? Amongst most of GPS collection softwares, Mobile Topographer has stand the test of time. The quality, the reliability, the accuracy is on a different level. And it's one of the applications that allow you to save and export your point data in a CSV, which you can be able to use on your system or on your GIS software. So for us to do that, we are going to be making sure that our location is turned on. So our location is on, the location on your device. Then you are going to open the app. This is the app, what the app look like. So you are going to open the app. So when you open the app, my app is open. So when you open the app, you are going to get this interface when you open the app. It's going to show you exactly this kind of interface. So what are you going to do? You're going to click the flag close to that survey. So once you click on the flag, the system will open up this interface for you. This interface is the GPS interface, which is where you see your coordinates, your longitude and latitude, or degree, minutes, and seconds. Though it normally shows the decimal degree. So we have two data type which can be collected using this software. We can collect a geographic coordinate system, which is the WGS84, and which is the decimal degrees, which is longitude and latitude, and we can also collect the UTM, which is a projected coordinate system. UTM stands for Universal Transverse Marcator, which shows you the easting and northing, as you can see on this interface. So we are seeing easting and northing. If you click on that icon again, you see the geographic coordinate system. So that's what we are going to use. So while we are waiting for more satellites to be able to get better accuracy, you can also click on start accurate positioning. So this is how this system works. For you to be able to capture or get an accurate measurement, the system will first of all show you this interface, which shows the coordinate system, where you choose the type you want from. Like me, I want to save mine in UTM, which is a projected coordinate system. Though the application saves in both, it will save one column in geographic coordinate and another column in projected coordinate. That's how the system does. So we are going to now click on start accurate positioning and that icon close to it. Once you click on it, the system brings down the coordinate to this lower environment where we have accurate position. The system, based on the satellite, it keeps positioning and correcting the accuracy to get a near accurate location. So you can see the accuracy level going down. So you wait for the accuracy level to go down depending on your accuracy of choice. But I normally recommend 0.40 or 0.50 accuracy level, which means 0.50 meters. It's near accuracy. But you can as well wait for 0.15 if you have the patience. So as it's going down, it's showing you the accuracy is going down and is trying to capture the better coordinates for the environment. So for it, when you are okay with the accuracy, you click on that same point where this says start accuracy. You now see stop accurate positioning. So we click on stop accurate positioning, and the coordinate there will become static. Now the next thing you're going to do, you're going to go to your bottom and click on the third button on your button that has a plus sign. So if I click on that third button, it's going to ask me to label my coordinates. So now I'm going to label my coordinates based on the sample. I can say sample 5, or I can call it anything I want. And I'll press OK, which is the tick next to that dialog button. So it's going to save. So my coordinate is saved now. So for me to see my coordinate, I go to the last button on the downside, which is the one at the extreme right. I click on it. I will see the list of coordinates which I have captured using this application. So you can see the list of coordinates I've captured. So for you to now put them in a way you can be able to access them using other softwares or just spatial softwares, you are going to click on the button, the fifth button at the bottom, the one with an arrow pointing towards the right. It is the export button. So we click on export, and we can be able to choose which file format we want to export this file, whether as TXT, whether as CSV, whether as KML, which is a Google S format, whether as GPX or DXF. So I normally use CSV because CSV is a generally accepted format. It's called comma limited text format. So it's normally accepted in some of the analytical platforms like Python, R, and even GIS environments. So I'm going to save the name as field data, depending on what I'm working on. I'm going to save the name as field data. Field data. So when I'm done with the file name, I'm going to click on that same tick, which is okay, and I'll save. So it's asking me there's another file existing, whether I want to overwrite. I can say yes, or I can also decide to save again by modifying probably to, and okay. So now there's something you can also do here. You can be able to, if it's a boundary you are trying to calculate, you can be able to click on here to see the area of the entire environment which you have captured. Maybe you are trying to get a boundary of the land. Also, you can be able to also click on this X on a red circle to delete any point which you don't like. So you can be able to use it to delete points. You can also be able to use the second button on the bottom with an X to clear everything within this environment if you are done with your project. So if I click on it, it's going to clear everything in my environment in case I want to start a new project. So that is it. That is how you can be able to use this file to get your GPS location. Now, where can I get my file? That's the next question you are going to ask. For you to get your file, you are going to go to your File Explorer. You're going to go to your File Explorer. If you go to your File Explorer, you look for the folder called Mobile Topographer within your File Explorer. So there's a folder called Mobile Topographer within your File Explorer. Mobile Topographer. Okay, that's the folder. You open the folder and you click on Point File. You can see your data here. Your data is here. This is your data which you have saved using CSV. So if you click on it, it's going to open using Excel, or you can take it to your GIS environment for data cleaning. So you can be able to use it for your mapping. Thank you. So hope you enjoy. If you have any question, leave it down in the comments below, and don't forget to follow and subscribe.